This video describes how to create assessment groupings within MarkBook, such as categories, strands, standards, etc. Click on Mark Sets in the upper menu bar, and then click on Edit. The categories that you'll build are going to be in the lower left. Pop down the menu and select a term that best applies in your system. I'm going to use categories for the moment. Click in the description line and type the name of a category that you wish to use. Applications. You're allowed 8 letters. Push Enter on the keyboard and type a target for applications and enter again. Click in the description line, type communication and a target for communication. If you have categories in the master list that are usable, grab them and drop them into this class. So I've added knowledge and understanding and thinking. You could also add an exam or culminating activity. Enter on the keyboard, and I'll give it a weight of 30. The miscellaneous category is still there. Grab it and drop it on the trash can. MarkBook will protest twice. Answer yes both times. The total target now sums to 100. Each category will contribute its target, say 30, out of the total 100, or 30%. It doesn't matter what the total target is. MarkBook will do the math based on the target number for each category out of the total target. There's another way to add categories to this class if you have MarkSet setup files available to you. At the right, click Load a Setup, click OK. I'm going to open Ontario MSS files and scroll down to find ENG1D. There it is. Click Open and click OK, and that file has added pre-built categories and target weights to this class. Again, drag miscellaneous to the trash can and answer yes. If you wish to edit these categories, you can do so. Click on the name, edit the description, or edit the target, or both. Also on this screen, you can select a block title. Pop down the menu, and if there's a term there that you find attractive to cross-classify your data, select it. COP stands for Conversations, Observations, and Products. When finished, click Back or Save, and you'll come back to the main form.